Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, the 8th wonder of the world. In this video, I'm talking about Vikas Proppant and whether you should buy the company in the current scenario. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more updates and press the bell icon for more notifications from this channel. But first, I will talk to the ones who are planning to invest in the company for the first time or interested to know more about the company. This company has had a roller coaster ride with regard to the share price. I have tracked the company about almost more than 2.5 years and know the progress of the business of the company and seen the drastic upside and downside in the share price. There were people who had commented asking me to make a new video. So I say avoid the company for many months until there is business activity in the company. There are too many issues in the company which are showing red flags which are in the public domain. You all go through the previous videos in which I have discussed in depth about the company. I have provided a link below, so you can all head to the link once you're done watching this video. So it's a void for the new investors as there is no business yet. The nature of the business is excellent. It's a niche business, but there is no production. And I used to mention that a small percentage of total investment can be put into such business, with an important note that the companies such as Vikas Proppant are for high risk investors. But the situation is terrible because of COVID. So avoid for many months to come. That's my opinion. The risk involved is not worth putting the money in the company. I want to say that there are many blue chips and high quality companies which are available at a very attractive price. Please invest in those companies. For all the investors who have already invested or planning to average out, it is your risk and it is a very high risk. There is no business yet and many other issues and clarifications from the company which are needed by the investors. So invest cautiously. There are many blue chips and good quality companies which can give 1 bagger, 2 bagger when entered at the price when the markets are going down. In this situation, our country is facing a major portion of the investment should move to the good quality company. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications from this channel. This content is intended to be used and must be used for educational purposes only. Please do your own analysis before making any investment based on your own personal circumstances and consult your financial advisor.